Okay, how do we embed a DESMOS sketch? So I could just actually cut and paste that, but I'll go through the particular thing, share graph, and then it's given me, I'd say, oh, maybe not the exact same one. Right, so we are going to copy that, and then we go back to our site. I'll do my example site, and here I'm going to push embed and go like that. And I get the choice of these two. So one of them is dynamic, it can move, and one is just the preview. So I'm going to do the preview first, insert it, and then I'm going to double click here to show you a different way. Push embed, Control V, paste, and this time I'll do the whole page one and insert that. So you can see the difference, that this is actually dynamic. If I push publish, we can see the difference a bit better. And push view. And scrolling down. So this one is just an image, doesn't do anything. This one I can actually change my gradient. I can move that out of the way. And so it's dynamic on the page. It will take longer to save if it's dynamic. Up to you.